Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and by the title of this video
By the title of this video, you should know what we're gonna do.
hey. Right, there you guys have it. You should already know what this is gonna be. So I did a vlog recently, and I asked you guys down in the comments to comment down in the comment section if you guys want to hear a story time as to why babe did not propose to me, but we are married anyways. We got married anyways. So we are going to tell you guys quick and short why he did not propose. So let me.
He didn't deserve it.
Did you just say that? That's how it went for you then?
Yeah.
You lie. He's such a liar. Jojo, you hurt my feelings.
Really? Oh.
Anyway, you guys, so as you guys know, or if you guys didn't know, babe and I met on Facebook.
Kingston.
On Facebook.
No, Hotmore.
On Facebook, Facebook, and we are married. How many years since we were married, babe?
I'm asking you.
We're married since 3 years. December is gonna make 4 whopping years. Listen, I'm better than Kim Kardashian and Chris Humphries. Did I just say that? I'm not judging, but I'm excited that we're going to be 4 years married. And let me just stop chit-chatting and just get into why babe didn't propose. So it's not what all you negative thinkers think, that oh, she didn't deserve a proposal, and oh, he didn't have the money, and yada yada yada. So what happened was, I don't know if babe had a proposal in mind, or if he had a plan in mind to propose to me or whatever, but our wedding planning came sudden. Should I say sudden? It's something that we've talked about during our dating. I always say to him that I don't want to date a guy for more than 3 years and don't get married. So I'm sure in the back of baby's head he knew what he had to do and how fast he had to do it, or how long he had to do it.
So let's just do it.
So like he said, let's just do it. We planned our wedding and didn't even think about a proposal, really, don't babe?
There was no official. It's just like talking together. So what happened was, at first this one was good. That was I give a promise ring. So
this ring that I have on this hand, that everybody think is my engagement ring, it is not my engagement ring. What babe gave me was a promise ring, and he's gonna tell you how I ended up getting this promise ring and what happened and all that.
Yeah, that was just because we at first we don't used to live together, and kind of hard and all of these things. So it's just like okay, come back to you every time, and you come back to me, and it's like a promise. It's like a promise. I won't forget you. I'm not playing with you.
So I always have a vision in my head how I want my engagement ring to be, which was kind of like this ring. So I told babe, we always have this conversation, and I told him what I wanted my my engagement ring to be like. So actually he was planning to come to Jamaica to visit me on a trip, and that's
because
when you got the
you
ring.
always tell me you want like a ring with 3 pieces, like pieces for you, me, and together, or things like this. Well, that's woman things. So I was trying to find, but I went online and ordered in a jewelry store, because I couldn't find anything that I like where I was living. So I ordered one, but when I received it, No, he
ordered the wrong ring.
I'm complicated. It's just like when something's important for me, you want something's good. You don't want something's half good, or so you just complicate it. You always say, okay, this is. You always find something's not good on it. So that's why. And when I receive it, I saw it straight. Say,
it was the ugliest ring I've ever seen in my life.
It wasn't that ugly.
You guys, the ring, it was a one band like this, but then the stone was red, and I don't even know what kind of shape it was, but I hated how it looked when he showed it to me online. I said, no, babe, you're gonna return that ring.
So I returned it, and I got this one. This one was good, and the size was good, and
perfect.
So that was, I won't say that was engagement, but I make a little speech, and yeah, when I give her this ring.
So what happened was that he was coming to Jamaica. He got the right ring just in time for his trip. He came to Jamaica, and I knew that he had the ring because it's not like the ring was bought in secret or whatever the case may be. He bought the ring, came to Jamaica, and when he came to Jamaica, all in my head is that you just need to give me the ring and let me put it on my finger. I didn't know that in his head he was going to do a speech and say what
I couldn't just say, okay, this is for you, a book for you. Okay, this is. Because I went there with, I think I had a book, I think I have, well,
a teddy bear,
a cookbook. Yeah, a little teddy bear that I found in the Paris one at the airport. So I just, number one, no, I have to do it at least properly. So this was done properly. But then we were talking about, in the future, like you said, she always say that 2-3 years, same thing for babies or things like this. So it's just when you're talking and there were no really okay put myself on my knees or things like this. I just,
he did not get down on his knee. It wasn't anything prepared like a surprise dinner. In my room, he says a bunch of promises, and he gave me the ring, and that's how I ended up didn't get engaged to. I got this promise ring a year after we started talking, and that was really special. It was a really good moment. And then our wedding was
a year and a half after this. About almost 2 years and a half after we starting date.
Okay. And then our wedding was planned, and we just got married. There wasn't an engagement, but we just got married right after. So I'm hoping that my dream of being engaged to will come one day. Hint.
That's gonna happen for the important anniversary, like a 5 years or like a 10 years.
So now every anniversary I need to look forward to it.
No, because
you shouldn't have said that.
I say like a 5 or 10 or like a numbers. That
you want to change your talk now. So you're going to finally propose?
Hopefully.
Okay, you guys, so that's our little story about how I didn't get proposed to.
So one day you're gonna have a vlog about it, about the proposal. How long we get married? You're gonna do 4 years anniversary now?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we have like to wait.
Alright, you guys, so now you guys know how I ended up with this ring and this ring. This is my wedding ring, and this is my promise ring. So there you guys have it. Why I didn't get proposed to, it's no specific reason. It's just because it wasn't planned, and then right after the promise ring comes our wedding, and our wedding was planned fast and it was done. And yeah, and if you guys want to see, we don't have a wedding video, but if you guys want to see our wedding pictures, we have a video of our wedding pictures, so you guys can go and check that out. The link will be down below in the description box. So yeah, but regardless of no proposals, he's still my baby and he's still my life. And you don't have to get a proposal to be married, okay? So don't wait on the proposal. The wedding can come without the proposal.
And sometimes for some man, I'm not talking about me, but it can be a real like thinking of how they're gonna do it, then they're pushing back and pushing back and pushing back because of this. Just they want to get married, but they just don't know how to propose. So they're pushing, and then the wife is waiting and waiting, and the trouble comes. So woman, please also make it easier.
Oh, so that's why I didn't get proposed to?
No.
Nah, just kidding, just messing with you.
No, but I'm talking for
I understand what you mean.
as a person.
Alright you guys, so there you guys have your quick and simple story as to why he didn't propose to moi. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and if you want to see more story times, you guys, comment down below and tell us. Look at this hilarious cloud. Tell us down below what story do you guys want to hear from us. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys in our next video. Ow. Babe, you can't do my hair like that. He does this all the time.
It's a bird nest.
No, look at me.
These eggs inside. At Easter you can add eggs.
I always tell him don't touch my hair. Don't. And him love to
and
play
you're about
my
to go to
hair.
bed.
I don't care.
So in the bed,
don't touch
how
my
do you
hair.
how do you sleep?
Don't touch my hair.
You sleep and you put your